Welcome to this explainer. We're jumping right into part 8 of our 10-part series, Artificial Intelligence for Everyday Life, a friendly guide for older adults. This whole series is brought to us by Virtualization Options, LLC. They're a wonderful research and education group out of Colorado. Today, we're skipping the confusing tech jargon entirely. We're just going to relax, take our time, and look at how these modern tools are actually making everyday life a whole lot easier. So let's just bust the biggest myth right out of the gate. You know that idea that artificial intelligence is some wild, futuristic sci-fi thing you have to go back to school to figure out? Yeah, that's completely false. The truth? You're actually already using it. It's not locked away in some secret lab. It's quite literally sitting in your pocket or on your kitchen counter right now. Section 1, AI in your daily life. Let's take a look at the tools you already use every single day. Think about it for a second. Have you ever settled in on the couch and Netflix magically suggests a great mystery show because you watched one last week? Or how about when you're texting a friend and your phone automatically fixes a typo? Or when Google Maps reroutes you to avoid that massive traffic jam on the interstate? Well, guess what? That is artificial intelligence. It's just quietly humming along in the background, making your day a little bit smoother. Stripped of all those scary buzzwords you hear on the evening news, AI is honestly just a computer program that learns from experience. That's it. It doesn't have a mind of its own. It's just really, really good at picking up on patterns over time so it can be more helpful to you. I absolutely love the way it's described here. AI is like a very helpful assistant that never gets tired and is always ready to help day or night. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't ever need a coffee break, and it's just standing by whenever you need a hand. Section 2, how AI actually learns. Let's look at this without any of the jargon. Okay, so we know what it is, but how in the world does a computer program get so smart? Well, it learns by studying millions of examples. Think about how you learned to cook. You didn't just instantly know how to bake a perfect pie out of thin air, right? You watched others, you read recipes, and you practiced in your kitchen until you knew exactly what flavors worked together. AI does the exact same thing, just on a massive scale. It reviews millions of documents until it figures out the basic recipe for answering a question or fixing a misspelled word. And that brings us to the next level, something called generative AI. Now, while standard AI might help you avoid traffic, generative AI can actually create brand new things for you from scratch. Let's say you need help drafting a polite but firm letter to customer service, or maybe you want tips for your spring garden, or you want a description of a photo. Generative AI actually generates that completely new content right there on the spot. It's a real game changer. But here is the most important thing I want you to remember. You cannot break this technology. As the quote says, you can always start over, rephrase your question, or simply close the window. Nothing is permanent. Seriously, if you ask a question and get an answer that makes zero sense, or you just get confused, just close out of the window. You're not going to break the internet, I promise. Section 3, your next steps and building your confidence. Because every single expert was once a beginner, we've pulled 3 gentle, totally doable steps right from Chapter 8 for you to try out this week. And hey, you don't need to do all of them at once. Just pick the one that feels easiest for you right now. Number 1, just ask your voice assistant one new question each day. If you have an iPhone, ask Siri. Got a smart speaker? Talk to Alexa. Just ask for the upcoming weather forecast, or maybe ask how long you should boil an egg. It's super low stakes, and it's a fantastic way to just get used to talking to the tech and hearing how it responds. Step 2, hop over to YouTube and search for this exact phrase, ChatGPT for beginners, older adults. Seeing it in action is so helpful. You'll find these wonderfully patient, step-by-step videos with large text and clear instructions, exactly like we're doing in this explainer today. And step 3, this is a huge recommendation from the researchers at Virtualization Options, LLC. Head to your local library. A lot of libraries offer completely free tech help sessions right at the reference desk. You can literally walk in and get real, face-to-face human help, usually without even making an appointment. Never underestimate the power of in-person support when you're learning a new digital skill. Section 4, enjoy the journey. AI is here to help. As we wrap up, I want to give you an empowering way to look at all this. Remember, AI is just a tool. It's like a telephone or a microwave. Before microwaves were a thing, we all got along just fine, right? But once they showed up, they quietly made everyday life a little easier and allowed us to do things a bit faster. AI is exactly the same thing. It's not here to replace human connection, it's just a household tool designed to give you a hand. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Curiosity and patience are all you need to get started. Learning anything new takes a little time. You didn't learn to drive a car in a single afternoon. But if you just stay curious and give yourself a little patience, you have absolutely got this. So, I want to leave you with this one exciting thought. The best is genuinely yet to come. Your tireless new assistant is standing by right now, ready to go. So, what are you going to ask it today?